A once unknown chef turned a failing cafe into a global food tech empire by pairing local flavors with AI meal planning. He reinvested every tip into R&D, turning recipes into scalable platforms that fed millions while reducing waste. Investors doubted him, but he built farms, labs, and kitchens linking farmers to consumers in real time. When profits arrived, he funded street markets in underserved towns, proving wealth can spark shared meals. This is the tale of a millionaire whose fortune began in a kitchen and grew through relentless curiosity.